Hi again, guys. Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. I just went and enjoyed this car for 20 or 30 miles. What a beast. But I wanted to pull it in the shop, open it all the way up, show you guys inside a little bit. It's just gorgeous. The little accents everywhere, the seat belts, they just didn't forget a thing. This carbon is so gorgeous. The steering wheel feels great in your hands. Every button, every screen, every dial is thought out. Look at these lights in the seats. Those illuminate. This illuminates in the doors too. But yeah, just so awesome. Obviously we have the cord, we have all the keys, we have all the books, we have the window sticker to this car. Everything comes with it that would have come with it new. So yeah, let me button this up. Give you guys one more chance to look at this. Look at this motor. Are you kidding? Holy moly. Fire breather. And there she is, guys. Just 3 or 4 hours left, and someone is going to get a brand new, or close to it, M5. Sorry, my proximity key in my pocket is making the car lock and unlock, but there she is. All right, look forward to talking to the winner soon. Let us know if you have any questions. We can help with transport or anything else you might need. So look us up. Thanks again. Hello, Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection, spending an exciting morning with our 2025 BMW M5. This is a pretty heavy build, guys, with carbon ceramic brakes. This one also has the exterior carbon package, which includes the roof. Bits like the rear view mirrors as well. This one also has the executive package, which includes some interior things like lit seats, and all the list is on the auction there, but cool stuff nonetheless. The fun part about this car to me is 717 horsepower, which is just a lot, and the right amount for me, because I think it's well suited to the car. The big size, as mentioned in the comments, needs a little more scoot, and this motor definitely does it. You have a twin turbocharged gas V8, a 4.5 liter, plus the added power of the hybrid system, so electric and gas. Pretty cool. This one also is all-wheel drive, or you can go into drift mode and change that to just rear-wheel drive. Really state-of-the-art stuff. So this is brilliant sun. I wanted to get it out here so you guys could see this color. That's the other thing. This blue is just gorgeous. So I'm gonna go drive it some more. I'll do another video of the inside of the car, and if you guys have any questions, please ask them in the comments. But this car is just about as new as can be, and someone's gonna get a great buy. So talk soon.